While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. I don't think y'all ready for this. I don't think I'm ready for this. I remember seeing a little bit about this. For some reason, Ian likes to spoil me. And I'm telling you, I'm like, bro, why would you do this to me? And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to try to forget this. Just don't show me anything anymore. But now, without further ado, let's go into the world of Ian. In 3, 2, 1.
You've been lied to,
Oh, damn.
and yet you're a fool for believing it. What promises did it make you?
Oh,
A world, power,
power.
or perhaps a way out?
The swords. They look like the swords of that Cloud carries. Damn, look at his fists. Is that what we call gauntlets? Woo, the imagery, bro. Bring me to your world. Oh, the wings too. Bro, this legit looks like a video game, to be honest. Oh, got the grills on, bruh. Bro, I remember when he showed me the grills. I was like, what is this for? Now I know. I was like, you wearing grills now, bruh? Looks like Assassin's Creed lore. Ooh, I can see that.
You still wake me up from the dead, feeling out my thoughts.
Who's watching?
Will I ever let you go? Will I ever let
It's just so dope seeing his world brought to life. It's really interesting.
Ooh. You cried was ecstasy, and I am no.
Let me see that. That cut.
You cried was ecstasy, and I am no.
He does do that, huh? He has like a blank slate before he cuts, huh? I've been noticing that. I wonder. Like a blink almost. That sword look crazy. What in the soul-sucking anime world is this? Woo! It's still hitting hard. What the? Reminds me of Soul Calibur, the video game. Ooh. Oh shit. The voices in his head are bothering him.
I'm a saint. I'm a saint.
Are you though?
I'm a saint. I'm a saint.
Woo! Yeah, he does like blink edit. I don't know what else to call it. Like blink editing? Yeah. Quite interesting. Ooh, okay, got the chills. God, look at this world. Bruh, who's doing it like this, bruh? What in the... Bro, he looks like he has a set at Coachella or something. Playing music. Oh yeah. What the? What, the Avatar? Oh, his eyes turn like colors. Oh, is it Maida? Bro, it feels like it's just the beginning, to be honest, just with this beat drop. Whew. Now look back at it, bro.
I'm a saint. I'm a saint. I'm a saint.
Oh, hell nah. The next part. It look like we're going into Avatar land, bruh. Oh, we going into a different territory, bro. We're going into this fucking world,
You've been
bro.
lied to.
We're going into this
And yet
freaking
you're a
world, bro.
fool For believing it.
Wait, hold up. Where are we going? We're going into the jungle. Hey, man, I don't think people are ready for that. Oh, my God. And I look. Listen. He has this whole thing planned out. He has this whole world planned out. And he's going to be releasing one at a time. And then we're already... I can't wait. I can't wait to see the next part already. Because I actually don't know what's going to happen next. It seems like we're going to the jungle. Now, this part already just looks like the beginning. Sacred sword, which seems like it's a prophecy for him to take it. Ooh, that was a fire shot too. You got... Wait, somebody said, you gotta talk to this man again. What's his inspiration for this? I'm down, bro. I'm down. Mr. Insanity, question mark? Yeah. Or maybe something else. Maybe something else. A new terrain? Yeah, it looks like a new terrain as well. Bruh. When the beat comes in, my favorite part of like the audio production at least is the like that part. I think that's so interesting to me. That tickles my ear. That part. Quite interesting with the graphics. Ooh. And people are always wondering, what is DPR Ian's genre? And my answer to this, I have no clue. It's multiple, actually. Or could it be the hybrid at the end? Ooh, somebody said. The graphics in this are fire, bro. Real talk. I mean, we're just seeing his world come to life. And that's freaking dope. I mean, he definitely had some inspiration for this. But that's for him to say. So if I ever do have a talk with him again, like interview-wise, bro, I think this is so sick. This right here, but this whole like build, crazy. Different forms of experimental, his genre, yeah. This is giving me like Daft Punk, like DJ vibes. Not like he looks like Daft Punk, but like this whole setup, kind of crazy. There's also an artist named Sick Kick that reminds me of like something he would do too. Fire shot. Yeah, Saint just feels like an introduction. It really does. Now you can bump Limbo in the car. That's true. Oh, did he just release the album too? Yeah, and we got Skin, Saint, Limbo. Limbo goes so hard, bro. Hey Dre, what's up? What's up? We're just checking about DPR Ian, how freaking epic this looks right now. Listen, I'm gonna let you know. DPR Ian, with DPR Ian, there's always more. There's always, and even when I don't even know, just expect that there's always more. This man got ideas upon ideas upon ideas upon ideas upon ideas upon ideas, and I just want to let you know, be ready for that shit. Bruh, and he released his like tour, right? He's announced his tour.
I'm a saint. I'm a saint.
But what's my favorite is that We're going to a new terrain. Now, what story is that gonna entail? I'm not even sure. Well, based off like the sounds that you hear, you could already tell. Put a comments down below what you guys think of DPRE and Saint. This is just the beginning, I think. I mean, his vision, his creativeness, and just him as an artist has always been very interesting to me. I'm obviously interested to you if you're watching this. And yeah, go stream it, go support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.